Hey there. Are you looking to delete your cover photo on Facebook using your PC? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to delete your cover photo on Facebook. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the desired cover photo. Locate the cover photo you wish to delete and click on it to open it in full view. Step 4. In the top right corner of the cover photo, you'll see a 3-dot icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, choose the Delete Photo option. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Step 6. Finally, to delete the cover photo, click on the Delete button in the confirmation dialog box. And there you have it. Your cover photo has been successfully deleted. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.